Hi everyone. So in the morning of 27th December, it's yesterday it closed at 256.61, and right now in the pre-market 9:24 a.m. ET. In the pre-market is 258.22. In first 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it might reach to 263. So 9:45, quite a bullish move. Three consecutive candles are totally green, and it touched 262, 262.37, and it's kind of trying to go even up, even higher. So the situation might change right now. At least, people can start to take the profit and get out of the market. But still, I don't see any chance to crash today. It might end up like 259, even if it's going down from this point, 259, or maybe it will go even higher to 265. As I said, I think I said yesterday. Yesterday, I made a video that should it crash or gap up. So in that video, I said it might even go to 265. It's not really uncommon. It's not really unusual. So I see a possibility here today. If after this third candle, next couple of candle, if they do not come below 261, the market should go even higher to at least 265 or 264. So let's see. So now we have to see how it reacts above the VWAP line, how it's reacting on this line, and is it trying to cross the VWAP and go further down, or it's reacting above the VWAP line and going up again. In that case, market will surely a bullish market, extremely bullish market for today. But I do not really see any possibility. I still think it will go below the VWAP and touch again 260 or 259. So I think at this point at 2:30 a.m. Eastern time, we got a new resistance, which is 263, 263.19. Roughly 263 is the new resistance, and I don't think it will go above 263 today. For today, this is the highest point. See, this is really important. It touched 263. Exactly, the highest point was 263.34. Okay, and after that, it tried to retest that 263, but it failed. It went up to 262.84, the second highest point. It actually clearly failed, and this is where it gets interesting. It didn't go up. It didn't cross the 263, and it retried another attempt for it. It failed at 262.84, or almost 262.96, we can say. After that is going down. It means people are selling, and now the point is, if the last huge number three green candle, if the market comes below this candle, it will go further down. If it doesn't come below this third huge candle of 940, if it stays at this level, market will eventually, by the end of the day, it will go up again. But if it fails this level and come below VWAP and close below VWAP, it will be dangerous. So at 11:38, almost 11:40, I will take that. It's retesting the resistance. It's trying to retesting the resistance. So let's see what happened here at this resistance point. 263. It's definitely trying to touch 263 again. 263.10. Even it can go a little bit higher, like 264, and after that it might react and come down. It's possible. It's totally possible to go a little bit above 263 and touch 264-ish level and then come down. So right now it's 1:16 p.m. ET, and I don't really see any valid reason to go above 263 at this line. Let me draw this line for you. 263. I do not really see any valid reason to go above this line for today. Even if it does a little bit like 263.98, like 264-ish level, from that point it should reverse and go down. Let's see. So at around 1:16 p.m., I clearly said that, that 263 is a clear resistance to me. According to me, 263 is a very clear resistance for right now. And I'm not saying it's not going to go above, or I'm not a financial advisor, and I just share my opinion. At 1:16 p.m., I clearly said that 263, it will come down again from 263, and it literally did. Again, it went up to 263.06 level. The highest, let me see the highest point. 263.25 was the highest at what time? 1:30 p.m. So again, it's trying to go up there, but I don't really think it will cross. It will cross. It shouldn't cross. And so right now, for tomorrow, I think 260 can act as a support for tomorrow. And end of the day, if we lose this support of 260 and it closes below 260, then I think it would be a sign of reversal. It would be a little sign of reversal rather than going higher from this point if it lose this 260 level. But if it close above 260 or 261, there is a possibility in the next couple of days it might touch 268, maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday. It's not unusual. It's not, I mean, I wouldn't be so surprised if it touch 268 in the next couple of days. So have a good one. Thank you.